Yo, what up YouTube, TLT, back with another vid. Today's going to be a backtesting vid for the win that I ended up taking last night. And, it was really good. Last night we had both indexes were displaying two completely different biases. One was bullish, ES was bullish, and NQ was bearish. NQ ended up coming down and taking out these lows, while ES was displaying bullish momentum and structure. What I was looking for was I needed both of the indexes to be aligned in order to take this trade, so I based my trade off of these gaps here. If we didn't end up investing, I would have entered. I would have ended up just calling it a night, and yeah, but we ended up investing it. ES had all the confirmation needed in order to take this trade. I just needed NQ to make a rotation to the upside and invest these gaps, and I ended up using NQ as my time to get out of the market once we hit our London highs. We ended up coming up to here into this gap. I ended up staying and leaving this throughout the night, and we ended up getting stopped out at right here, but realistically, if I was trading live or prop firm, I would have closed the trade, because I don't like leaving more risk on the table than I already should. So, but I just wanted to see how the trade would play out, and obviously the reason why we went down was because of the 4-hour gap. We came into here, we ended up respecting it, and now we're going down. But looking bearish at the moment. ES is lagging, and Q is pushing more down. We've come into this hourly gap, and looks like we might invest it. But we'll see what we have tonight. Do we have any news? Yeah, we'll be okay. But yeah, it was a very good trade. Ended up making 1K, I think, so ended up making my loss that I took on Wednesday or Monday, I think it was. So that's good. But getting better every day. Getting closer and closer to my goal, and never gonna stop from here. It's only up from here. It's only up from here. But yeah, that was the trade recap. I'll do a live day trading vid tonight, I think, depending on how I feel. Yeah, I think I will. But coming to market, both indexes were showing two completely different biases. NQ was bearish, seeking out liquidity to the downside, while ES was bullish. In order for me to take this trade, I needed NQ to make a transition and show confirmation of the new trend. ES showed everything needed to enter the trade. I was just waiting on NQ to follow. We inversed this value gap. there on NQ. I entered on ES, targeting previous liquidity. Using NQ as exit points at London High. Damn. Alright. Just did my journaling. What did I do right? I was patient. Was very patient last night. 5th of the 6th. Journaling. What did I do right? What I did right. I was patient. I was disciplined. I stuck to my trading plan and strategy. I stuck to my bias. And analogy of the market. I reacted to price action. Okay, to price action. What else? What I did wrong? I stayed in the freaking trade and ended up making less. What I did wrong? Should have exited before I went to bed. Should have exited. Don't leave trade overnight. Another one that I did. Both index aligned. Waited for both indexes to align. What I can do better. What I can do better. Exit trade. Before bed. Alright. Well, out of 10, this was probably, this trade setup was probably about an 8, I reckon. It's really good, but there's always something I can improve on every day, always persevering. Every day I'm getting better and better, and soon I'll reach my goals. I just have to persevere through the struggle. But yeah, that's the trading vid for today. I'll hit you guys up with another vid tonight with a live day trading if I do end up trading tonight. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a blessed day, and till next time, my brothers and sisters.